worth $4.
Listen to it on the ground.
Oh.
Make sure this is where you can see it, or so the air can come out of it. Look, look.
Everyone knows how to use a whoopee cushion. What the heck? Emma, can you hold this and watch the cat?
Sure.
Okay. This thing is gonna be so worth.
What? That's all it does?
That's a piece of crap.
Let me see it. Give me it. Nope. Try again. You did it a couple of seconds ago, and it worked great.
What do we do? Oh, what if we tried it the other way instead of the pointy way?
Yeah, I'll try that. It didn't pop. Leave it on the ground.
Hold on, wait. Hold on. Wait.
It's gonna do it. Just wait.
All right. We gotta.
No, don't. Just wait for it.
Move! 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 Move!
This is boring.
You have to drop it.
I just want to do this.
Hey, people. You always want to do that. People, watch this. People, hey. Whoa!
So worth it.
It is so worth $2.
Did I look away and miss it?
Yes. And now Emily is using her whoopee cushion. I don't think they can hear it. You have to bring it over here. Bring it over here. I don't think they can hear it. The camera's bad, remember?
Okay, look at this. Right here. Make sure you cover that.
Holy crap.
That's called the fudge ball.
And this
Called the sonic boom.
and this cheap novelty items, so worth it.
And they have different faces.
Yeah.
They have different faces.
I'm gonna rock your world with my fuzzy hair. Yeah, woo. Yeah, that's right. I'm so sexy. Woo.
I called
Yeah, that's right. I'm got
I called it the medium rare.
What the heck?
Wait, this
Man, that's so freaky.
This is the medium rare.
Man, that's so freaky.
What's my foot?
Yeah.
Sonic boom.
And we're out. That's right. Secret out.